Happy?
Yep. Send it, Gab.
Ready?
Stand by.
Here we go. Can't see much past 3.
3, 2, 1. Begin.
The animal fight again. Crash. From the cat, he's straight up on the attack.
Oh, it does to me. It does to me.
Running away with the lobster. No, the cattails coming in on the drill motor there, trying to disable the drive. But now it's over the still up foot. He's in the corner there. Down comes the tail. Now, this is available. He's going to the top. Lob-Ster. One massive animal piling up. The lobster seems to be stuck now on its back. Are we good? That's it hit. There's a pit button hit, so down goes the pit. Kind of. Yeah, there we go. So now it's down to the cat and the goose. I can see, I think there's a belt dangling there from the goose, so that's going to happen to the drive. And heads up, it's in an angry pose. You've got an angry goose coming in. There goes the pet. Don't say that, whoops. But the cat is having none of it. There you go, squished into the wall there. Down comes the claw. It's got... Now we get a grip on the goose. Raining down the road on the cat. So we now grab up. Cat's in the tail again, but the cat's slip again. She's ready for it.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And that's the game. So, audience, what do we think? If you think Honk the goose won, make some noise. If we think CATastrophe with the tail that won, make some noise. Tough call, tough call.
You're cool.
Oh, Mike, I don't do judging, you know that. I get in trouble for it.
Do it again, Dave. Do it again.
Let's try that one. Let's try that one again. If you think it's Honk one, make some noise. If you think it's CATastrophe one, make some noise. Yeah, I think we're going to have to give that one to CATastrophe. Tough one though. Tough call.